Okay, hello fellas, and I have received the Hitachi DH22PH rotary hammer drill from one of my friend, and it had the power tool service in the other city. And the problem is that they cannot assemble this one. Asked me, maybe I can assemble it, so I will try to do that, and I hope I can assemble it. What we have here, we have here all the parts, the screws, and of course the problem is in the hammering case here. I will change the angle. Okay, now we have nice angle, and we will check the sticker here. I need to remove it, and let's check what we have here inside of this bad boy. Okay. Basically not looks really difficult, and I see that's no grease inside. We'll clean this one a little bit and check here. The O-ring seems to be new. I will put some good old Makita grease, and okay, we'll insert the striker into the cylinder. Now we can check if this cylinder is fully attached inside. Yeah, it seems that it's good in the place. Yeah, the gears will touch each other. I hope so. Okay, first of all I will just try to mount it to check if I can get it in. If I can get, I will then take out the housing again and grease it. Okay, we can see that this is the driving shaft, not driving, the mode changing shaft. Now it's go to the bottom. Okay, I need just to try to check if I'm able to mount it back. Okay, now we have this one, and it's not fully got in, so I'm trying to spin the armature to check. Maybe that will change something. Sometimes for some Hitachi models it's easier to turn the tool on a little bit and spin the motor to get all the gears aligned, so I will try the same with this one. I hope I will not break it. Okay, seems not bad. I will take a fuse. And okay, have 3 short screws and 4 long ones. 4 long ones will go for the hammering case with the motor housing to connect. Okay. Now we have the handle over it. I will plug it in, and what I want to do is to slightly turn it on. Okay, now it's going on drilling mode. I'll try to change it to hammering mode. Yeah, and we can see that it just pop it in. Yep. Okay, so as it pop it in, I will not run it a lot. Now I need to take it apart again, and now I will put some grease here. And then after greasing it with a big hope, I will try to assemble it again and of course test it to check how it runs. We'll put some grease inside here. My grease can is getting empty. Need to restock it. Okay, now I will try to repeat the step and insert it. Yep, now we got it in a place for the first time, and we can see we have small tension pressing it out. I'm plugging it back again and trying to turn it on. Yeah, it spins easily, free, so I will put the screws in. Okay, now we can check if all the modes are working. Okay, now we have a problem here. And okay, only drilling. Hammering with the drilling, and we have the problem on a hammering, so we need to check it again. Yep, it's just stuck somehow. So yeah, we need to check that. Okay, now what can cause the problem here? A good question. Okay, this one is moving. Now the problem is that I have the grease everywhere. Okay, what can we see here? So it's basic normal part for the Hitachi and some of the Makita models. It's pretty the same. Okay, we have the spring here, and probably the spring was not okay. If you can see, we have the spring here, so we need to get the middle one into the spring, and yeah, it was the tension when I was trying this one. Probably okay. I want to see how it's how this one looks here. Yeah, you just press the spring. What we have here. Okay, I will try to put this one in a position like that, or maybe I need to check how to remove the knob for this one, DH22PH. Okay, finally I have managed to put the cylinder in it, so I have put it down, just twisted the socket here and the jack, got it standing like that, and then I hit the sleeve inside. Now put a holding ring, and that was some pain in the ass, because if you do it from the one side, the tool holder goes inside the housing. Doing this one, it goes here, but you cannot put a sleeve. Okay, now trying to get it assembled, and as a normal for the Hitachi, it cannot be assembled. As you can see, now is a gap gear, so I will turn it on slowly, and now on the drilling and hammering, and you can see it popped in. Of course, don't do that on a full speed. Okay, now we can do it again. Okay, sounds good. I'm plugging it out. Now what we have here, we have a tool holder, and basically, yeah, the spring goes, you can see the smaller diameter goes down, then goes the washer, then goes the ball, the ball goes in a hole here, then the fat washer. Okay, then I think we'll go this cover. It's a little bit dirty, and normally I'm not inserting the grease in the holder because the customer will put the grease when using the tool. Let's check. Yep, okay, good. And now we need to put a spring ring. Most of the time you can put these rings with a screwdriver. Just getting one end in the groove, holding it with housing, and pushing the other end with a screwdriver. And now we will turn it around. Okay, looks good. The cap. Okay, and we have assembled this one, so now we can test if it holds the chisel. Yeah, it holds the chisel and it raises it. So that was the repair of this Hitachi. Honestly, spent a lot of time with this one, and before I remember it and figure it out what to do to assemble it correctly. And thank you for watching my videos. For now, just bye.